what is a pooled trust when we're doing special needs estate planning. My name is Andrew Ayers. I'm an estate planning and business law attorney, and today we're going to talk about one of the types of special needs trusts. Now, if you have a child who's receiving government benefits and has special needs, you want to make sure that you have the correct estate plan to protect those government benefits. One of the primary vehicles we're going to use for that is what's called a special needs trust. In the world of special needs trust planning, there's three main trusts that we like to use. The first is a first-party special needs trust. The second is a third-party special needs trust. And the third type is what we're going to talk about today, a pooled special needs trust. Now, in the case of a first-party special needs trust, the assets in that trust belong to the person with special needs. The third party and the pooled trust allows you to use assets that come from third parties to fund a trust for someone with special needs. The key is the trust makes sure to keep the government benefits intact for the family member. We have to be sure what is being paid for, what benefits are not being overlapped with the government, so that we don't endanger their ability to receive government benefits. Now, in the case of a pooled trust, it's a little bit different than the other two. In this case, it's usually a nonprofit or a charity who is the one holding the funds for the person with special needs. So you would leave, let's say, $1 million from your life insurance policy to a pooled trust. And then that charity will be the one that's administering it for your family member with special needs. And this charity probably has a lot of different funds in it. And so if you think about it like interest and compounding interest, by having a lot of funds together, the charity is able to manage and help all of those funds grow. And then they have a way to administer and distribute the funds to the various family members and the various individuals who are members of pooled trusts. Now, it's not like we're taking all of your money and just throwing it into a big pot with everybody else. So each individual beneficiary, each individual person with special needs essentially has their own account. So they are tracking those funds and they are able to delineate who's getting what. But they're using the advantage of having all of the funds conglomerated together to be able to get a better return on interest and a return on their investments. What happens with a pooled trust that's different than the other two types of trusts is that with a pooled trust, when the family member with special needs dies, whatever is left in the trust then goes to the charity. It helps to fund their operations, whatever else they can do with the money. So it's a way for you to incorporate special needs planning with charitable giving into your estate plan. Now, by contrast, if you do a first-party special needs trust, when the family member dies, the government is entitled to reimbursement from that trust. And then the reason a lot of people use a third-party special needs trust when they can is because in those cases when the family member dies, you can have whatever's left in the trust then be distributed to other family members that you may have. So you've kind of gone quickly through these three different types of special needs trusts today, and you're probably saying, I'm not sure which one I need, or I'm not sure what's next. So let's set up a legal strategy session. Go to andrewmayers.com. There's a red button where you can schedule a legal strategy session. We'll hop on the phone for 15 or 20 minutes and go through your current situation, what your family needs, and get some ideas for how we can move forward. This isn't one of those processes you want to leave to some generic website and hope that you get your estate planning right. There can be a variety of mistakes you can make. And if you're worried about those mistakes, you can also find the 7 special needs planning mistakes to avoid. It's a free report on my website and linked in the comments below. And you can download that for free to see what are some common mistakes that you want to make sure to avoid.